James is very good at understanding what external expertise he needs and the value of outside advice. That's something he learnt early on in his career and in running a successful coffee roasting company. He understands he can't do it. He's not able to do it all. There is a lady, the managing director of the coffee roasting company. He doesn't run it. He's involved day to day, but he doesn't run it as a business anymore because he knows his limitations. And I think I would love more creators to understand that how to vet outside expertise, how to feel like they can involve other voices in their process confidently. I think many creators, no matter their size, are still worried the moment they start to let someone in their trusted circle, and that, oh no, is this person actually a charlatan? And vetting expertise is probably one of the most common services, so to speak, that we provide for our clients is kind of just being a second voice saying, yeah, I think these people are legit, or I think we've spoken to 10 people, we think these are the best.